A kitchen remodel is an exciting and transformative project that can breathe new life into your home. Whether you're aiming for complete overhaul or subtle upgrade, a well-planned kitchen remodel can enhance functionality, aesthetics, and overall value. Start by defining your goals. For the kitchen remodel, are you looking to enhance storage or update the overall design? Clarifying your objectives will guide your decisions throughout the remodel process. Establishing a budget is crucial to ensure your kitchen remodel remains financially feasible. Allocate funds to different aspects. Be realistic and account for unexpected expenses. Optimize your kitchen's layout to enhance efficiency and flow. Think about placement of cabinets, appliances, and countertop space. Select high-quality materials that will stand the test of time. Invest in durable cabinets, countertops, and flooring. Maximize storage in your kitchen by incorporating innovative solutions. Efficient storage reduces clutter and enhances functionality. Modernize your kitchen with energy-efficient and technologically advanced appliances. Choose appliances that match your design, aesthetic, and offer features that simplify cooking maintenance. A successful kitchen remodel, thoughtful design, and attention to detail. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, optimizing your layout, selecting quality materials, focusing on storage solutions, and upgrading appliances, can achieve a transformed kitchen that reflects your style and enhances your daily life. Casa Custom offers comprehensive kitchen remodeling services to help you create the kitchen of your dreams. Follow us and get more details.